All right, guys. Still here with this 2019 Infiniti Q50. Seems pretty cool. It's wrapped. It's a matte. So, show you how to take the taillights out. It's actually quite easy. So this cover sits like this, right? And just sort of clipped in. Now this is what it looks like on this side. This is untouched. So what I did was sort of get in between this little crack and pull from the back here outward. That's where these guys come into place. Then 210 mils, which I already took out. One there. You pull the light out. You gotta be careful. You sort of gotta pull out towards you. You see how this pin goes in here, like on an angle. So you're sort of like sitting in the corner, pulling out towards you, because the pins are faced this way, so it's on an angle. You don't pull straight out, you pull outward. And that's it. Same thing. Line them back up, push them back in. There you go. It pops back in, and that's it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.